Welcome back again to my 4-knife special. Today, this video, I'm going to be doing this knife in the playlist. I call it my wolf knife. It's just a random name I came up with. Be sure to watch these 3 videos. Just check in the playlist. There will be links around the screen, wherever. And here's this knife. This is going to be a short review because this knife is really, it's not that, it's not so special. It's just for looks mainly. To start out, the handle, this, I forgot what they call it. The ends here. If you're wondering what this is, it's not marble. I'm guessing it's fake pearl. There's little nails to keep that down on both sides, and it is a back lock. This kind of a lock. There's a nail nick to open it, and as you can see, the lock bar comes up and then it locks. And this blade is almost 3 inches, but it's not, so it is legal. It is legal to carry around. It's not really curved, the whole thing, but it is curved a little bit like that, but it's not curved a lot. The blade, the sharp part, not the tip, is pretty sharp. So just be careful with that if you have one of these, or with any knife. The tip is sharp. Sometimes I'll have to sand them down to sharpen them, but this one I didn't have to. The blade is, like I said, just under 3 inches. I'd say about 2 millimeters under 3 inches, so I was in luck. I can carry this around. And so the lock back is a little bit hard to close with one hand. And so that's about it for this knife. Be sure to watch this review, and this one. Like I said, there will be links in the beginning of the video, so be sure to watch those. See you in the next video.